Okay, now we will start the poem. So, read a poem about a boy had baked a dozen cookies for Santa on Christmas Eve. This is the poem. It is about a boy who had baked a dozen cookies. Dozen means how many comes in dozen? Dozen means 12 pieces. 12 pieces of cookies he made for the Santa Claus on the Christmas Eve. Eve means evening. So what he said? Let's see. I baked a dozen cookies and I put them on a plate and I set them out for Santa Claus except for one I ate. I baked a dozen cookies. The boy, he baked a dozen cookies. Dozen cookies? 12 cookies. And he put the cookies on the plate. Then what he did? He set them out for Santa Claus. For what he set them out? To serve the Santa Claus. It was a Christmas Eve, so he served the Santa Claus. He want to serve the Santa Claus, so he set them out, kept them out for the Santa Claus, except for one I ate. But from that 12 cookies, one he had eaten. One he had eaten. So he said, except for one I ate. So one he had eaten. So how many left now on the plate? 11 cookies left on the plate. Then he said, that cookie was amazing and I couldn't quite resist. So I ate another one that I was sure would not be missed. So when he ate that cookies, he said that cookie was amazing, delicious, good in taste. So that cookie was good in taste. So he cannot control himself to eat one more. So he ate another one of the cookies and he was sure that it would not be missed. He was sure that now whichever cookies I am eating, it will not be missed. So now 2 cookies he had eaten. So how many left in the plate? Now 10 cookies are left on the plate. Now what he said? See, I knew it wouldn't matter if I only ate one more. Then he thought that if I one more I will eat, then it will not be matter. So he gobbled up another one. Gobbled up, he ate quickly. So how much the cookies were delicious, so he cannot control himself, and then one more he had eaten. Why not? That's only 4. And he thought that only 4 I have eaten, not more than that. So no matter is there. And he had eaten one more. Now 4 cookies he has eaten. Now how many left on the plate? How many? 8. 8 cookies are left on the plate. Then see what happened? I accidentally dropped another couple on the ground. Accidentally? No, don't think that he accidentally dropped. By knowingly, he just dropped that a couple. Couple means two of the cookies on the ground. And he said, I knew Santa would not want them, so I swiftly scarfed them down. And he is making excuse that I knew it is fallen on the ground, so Santa would not like to eat that. So what he did? He scarfed them, gulped them down, he ate it again quickly, and where it gone? In his stomach. Now turn the page. Then you can see in the picture also it is going on. So next what happened? Another couple disappeared. I may have eaten those. Though I couldn't say for certain, but I guess that's how it goes. Now he said that, where gone again the couple? A couple. Couple means again 2 were disappear, invisible, had gone from the plate. Where gone? In the stomach of the boy. So he said two more cookies are disappeared. Maybe I have eaten only those cookies. And what he is making excuse again? He said Thou I couldn't say for certain means he don't want to eat them, but automatically it is so tasty, so he guessed that how it goes means suppose that he maybe it will be fallen or it just gobbled up. So he said, I guess that how it goes, it like that it has gone in my stomach. Then he said, I figured 4 was likely more. Now 8 before he had eaten, then 2 more, 10 he has eaten, now 2 only left on the plate. Then he said, I figured 4 was likely more than Santa Claus would need. Then he started counting, only 4 was likely more than Santa Claus. He thought that Santa Claus will not like to eat it. So I polished off another few with unexpected speed. Polished off, again finished eaten quickly, and all the cookies he has eaten in unexpected speed. Unexpected speed means in a very high speed, means nobody can expect what was the speed, and he has eaten all the cookies. Then see what the excuse he is giving. Before I knew what happened, all the damage had been done. He is saying, I don't know how this happened. This all damage has been done. What is the damage? The damage is that all the cookies have been starved. All the cookies have been eaten. And where are all the cookies? All the cookies are in the stomach of the boy. And what he said, and I realized I would accidentally eaten everyone. See how clever he is. He is saying that I realized that this all had happened accidentally, that I have eaten one by one, and all the cookies have been gone in my stomach. Then again, he thought that if the Santa Claus will come, then what will happen? So he said, I guess it is the best, since Santa sort of needs to watch his weight. He said, but it is good for Santa. It is best thing for the Santa that I have eaten all the cookies. Why he said it like this? He said that just look at the size of the Santa. He has become fat by eating these all sweets. So it is not good for the health of the Santa. If he will eat these cookies, then he can become more fat. So it is good to eat by me, and to by watch his weight. He said that it is best thing that I have eaten this all cookies. Then what he said, when he visit us this Christmas, I sure hope he likes the plate. And what he said, that I wish that when the Santa will visit my home, and he will see the empty plate, the plate where there are no cookies, then he would like the plate. So see how cleverly he is saying these all things. He has eaten all the cookies and said that Santa will like the empty plate. So here our poem is finished. I have explained the poem. Now what you will do, you will underline all the hard words.